Hello, hello, everybody. Let's find what cards for us today. Sometimes the strongest people in the morning are the people who cried all night. Yep, I've been there before. Let's pick an envelope. The cells in your body react to everything that your mind says. Negativity brings down your immune system. Yes. The journey of getting to know yourself is one of the life's most beautiful and intimate experiences. It's a privilege for someone to have access to you. Carry yourself like it. I hope when you count the stars, you begin with yourself. Once you learn to create your own happiness, no one can take it from you. You are a teacher and help others find their way. And the last one today. Don't put the keys of your happiness in someone else's pocket. All right, adios.